You talking about all the way in the back? Wait, so how are your bathrooms broke?
It's broke, sir. I cannot leave it.
But I'm a customer.
I know. No, because you're not customer.
Cause you did what?
It's broke.
How is the bathroom broke?
It's broke because the toilets don't work.
On
Okay.
both stalls?
Yes.
There's a boys and a girls bathroom.
Yes. Something wrong with the
No.
the drain.
No.
Okay.
Are you doing that because I'm black? 1, 2,
No.
3, 4.
Oh my God.
I know you guys aren't used to seeing black people, but it's okay.
411, please.
You got 11 too?
Come on,
I'll just give her a 5.
Okay. Out of 5. You said she's gonna come in the dispenser.
I'm confused at how a bathroom is broke. That's funny. I know you guys didn't have no customers today, but don't take it out on me. Because I'm a customer.
I have a good day today.
So don't take your attitude out on me. That's all I gotta say. Period. Because I don't know shit. And I didn't do shit to you. Period. And that's just that. Because if I'm not gotten y'all.
Have a nice night, okay?